Hello future programmers. In this video, we're gonna see how to create a package. I will tell you from the basic itself. Okay, so let's see. I hope you have latest version of Eclipse as well as you have created the project. If you don't, so we will see first how to create a project. We just need to go to file, then new, then you can create a Java project. You can name your project as an online. I'm just giving a name. You can just give another name as you like. You can use your name or situation's name or the date, time, anything. Okay. So I have just put the online demo one. Don't put any spaces here. If you want to separate these words, you can just use hyphen or middle score. So you can next do finish. You can see here we have created a project. In this project we need to create and package. Okay, let's see. So I'm just going to right click on that project. Here you can see a package. We can give a name to the package called first program. You don't need to check this box, just need to click finish. Okay, so we have created a package here, and now we need to create a class because we need to run a program. So in that package we need to create a class, new, then class hello. We'll be needing a public static void main. I think you all know what is the characteristics, what is the need of public static void main. So we will be checking this box. We have created a class called hello in the first in the package name first program and in the project name online demo, right? So we'll be just clicking finish. Here you can see the public static void main we have checked, public class hello, the first program. So I have just copied a program. It's just a printing statement. I'm just going to copy here and I'm going to run. Here you can see the output, hello world. I hope you found this video helpful. If you, please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.